Right. Do you have patience? That's a question and a very good one. Patience is a capacity to tolerate changes or delays without getting upset, angry, or frustrated. While most of us would love to be more patient, it's not always easy, as I know. Ask me. This is especially true when we've been praying for something for a long time, or when a friend does something that makes us angry, when something doesn't happen quick enough for our liking. Luckily, God didn't leave us without guidance when learning how to be patient. He gave us His word. Let's dive into some Bible verses about patience and what it actually means to be patient. Um, Preach the word, be prepared in season and out of season, correct, rebuke, and encourage with great patience and careful instruction. 2 Timothy 4 verses 2. Be joyful in hope, patient in affliction, faithful in prayer. Romans 12, verse 12 verses 12. Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap harvest if we do not give up. Galatians 6 verses 9. But if we hope for what we do not have yet, we wait for it patiently. Romans 8 verses 25. Be completely humble and gentle. Be patient, bearing with one another in love. Ephesians 4 verses 2. Therefore, as God's chosen people, holy and dearly loved, clothe yourselves with compassion, kindness, humility, gentleness, and patience. Bear with each other and forgive one another. If any of you has a grievance against someone, forgive as the Lord forgave you. So love is patient, love is kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, and it is not proud. And also realize that patience is one of the fruits of the Spirit. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.